Welcome to our eSpin training. As you know, my name is Mikhail, and we are happy to see you on our site. Well, our technical overview of web application security assessment as a service. Okay, nowadays we know, right? Everything important mostly need to be accessible by online. So we need to keep our information, important information of our clients, customers on the websites, which must be secure. And we need to know, right, is our website hackable or no? How to know? In action became an spin with the testament and audit providing. And we highly recommend you to do a web security audit with us. Almost every day there is a report of a new high-profile website. The target usually is sensitive corporate information that can be misused to affect a company's reputation and financials. Hackers are using web applications such as login page, shopping carts, and contact forms, which are online attacking databases of many organizations, able to do it anytime. This is why we need to secure, protect, and be sure that nobody can connect or hack our production site. This situation only highlights the importance of performing a regular web security audit to ensure that data such as credit cards details and personal information from of the customers and employees is safe and secure. So the web application attacks are carried out over HTTP and HTTPS. The same protocols that are used to deliver content to legitimate users, yet web application attacks, both on free, open source software. Right. So when you order our service, we come on your site or we'll start our business, even you don't need to have you don't need to purchase any hardware or software. We will provide it for you because you already ordered the service, so it all together coming in. We will crawl and scan all your web application or website, and we will find out all vulnerabilities which is sensitive and could guard your production site data. So we need to find out it. Alright, we will detect and provide the alerts with notification and report and remediation action. So in the report you will see all steps how to fix it out, how to make it secure. So we will accurately crawl and scan with some technologies which provide a good result in their business. So this technology will allow the scanner to robustly test any application, no matter what web technology it's running in. It will do everything whatever it needed. It will provide good result, and we will help you to manage, control, and investigate all issues, all vulnerabilities, how to remediate it. But first of all, we need to roll and scan. At the heart of this scanning technology is fully automated web browser that can understand and interact with complete web technologies such as Ajax, SOAP, WSOL, REST, and WADL, XML, JSO, and Google Web Toolkit or GLL, the GTT, and CRUD operations, just like a regular browser. These are scanning technologies allows to test web application just through it's running inside of the user browser, allowing the scanner to seamlessly interact with complete controls just as a user would, significantly increasing the scanner's coverage of the web application. Hassle-free authenticated web application testing. Testing authenticated areas of your websites and web application is absolutely critical to ensure full testing coverage. With our scanner, which will do the job, can automatically test authenticated areas by recording a login sequence using the login sequence recorder. The login sequence recorder makes it quick and easy to record a series of actions the scanner can replay to authenticate. Okay, for your clear understanding, for example, we have your website where is the credentials for each user. For example, it is the administrator. You can log in with admin login and password of the administrator login. So you just go to the login page, proceed with the login name, password, hit the login button, and we are in. And the sequence login sequence recorder will record all steps, all series steps, and will save it on the scanner. While deploying our technology, scanner will take your detailed information which we provided for the scanner to be known in future for faster and easy production. It will take all every information, and we also will set in login sequence recorder what area on website the scanner should be never touch, such as the exit button or logout button. We will forcefully avoid it for the scanner to make sure that scanner will find out and scan full website without any sudden logout action, which means it will stop on a while and will not continue, of course, and we will know the whole story or not full the picture of our current situation, our particular situation. So, understood. And also, we got the optional credentials. For example, we can set login and password as the credentials for future needs. And the scanner will save it. Also, just will know if required action from the scanner to provide login information, name and password. If you provide it, that's it. So, using the login sequence recorder is much more fast and easy and have less issue or errors. Okay, and we continue with one more point in our services which we will provide on your site when you will order the web application security assessment as a service from our company, is SPIN. Have all information regarding the custom 404 error page and rewrite rule identified. Because our technology which we use, our scanner, has ability to do so. So automatic custom 404 error and rewrite rule identification means the custom 404 error pages are pages that return an HTTP 200 OK status when a page is not found out. Rewrite rules a set of service uses that rewrite requested URL on the fly, and our software will help us to find out it and do the action while the scanning process, whilst it's allowing you the flexibility to define the right rules and custom 404 pages manually possible. We will try both optional choices which will be more applicable for our situation or on your site. We will use it and for sure we will have the best result. Our scanner can automatically detect and configure itself for websites and web application using custom 404 while still allowing you the flexibility to define rewrite rules and custom 404 error manually. And actually we will try to use it if the automated section with the setting not applicable for that situation, they will do the manually steps. Never mind, it's also very powerful, and actually with any of these optional choices we will provide the best result for your web application security. Also, our scanner, we will set it in this situation to be automatically detecting and configuring itself to website and web application using a custom 404 error pages, as well as rewrite rules, saving hours of configuration and increasing the crawl and detection rate. Manual imports also has the ability to do both Apache HTTP server and Microsoft IIS rewrite rules are supported. Highest SQL injection and cross-site scripting detection rate. Holistic and accurate vulnerability detection lies in the ability to detect anything from the most abused to the most abused SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and over 500 other types of web application vulnerabilities. Our scanner is the most advanced industry leader in detecting the target variety of SQL injection and cross-site scripting vulnerabilities, including out-of-band SQL injection and DOM-based cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. In-depth SQL injection and cross-site scripting vulnerability testing. Our scanner actually rigorously tests for hundreds of web application vulnerability, including SQL injection and cross-site scripting. SQL injection is one of the oldest and most prevalent of software bugs. It allows attackers to modify SQL queries in order, and also could provide to the attacker, to the hacker, all information belongs to database, because the SQL injection is rewritten by him, and it could be, example, the credit card information from the database, or the name, or maybe some sensitive data of the customer, super admin password, whatever. And cross-site scripting attacks. Everyone knows, but I will remind. Allows to attackers or hackers to execute malicious scripts inside your visitors' browsers, possibly reading to appreciation of that user. So that means it will modify your website and it will be already dangerous for anyone who are located there or just visiting there. So that means you need to think about this, isn't it? Because it is your reputation, it is your brand name and how you handle it. This is why in-action comes through with Spin, where we will find out and investigate this kind of case. When it comes to dynamic application security testing, as DAST, while the number of tests a scanner can run is important, right? It is secondary to how well it can crawl an application. If you can crawl it, you can scan. And our scanner technology, which is the most advanced in nowadays we use, the ability to crawl complex client-side single-page application, or SPA, generating the highest vulnerability detection rate, even if client-side vulnerabilities such as DOM, basic or cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. Advanced automated DOM basic or cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. Actually, advanced automated DOM basic cross-site scripting vulnerability testing is advanced type of cross-site attacks which is made possible when the web application client-side scripts write user provide area to the document object model DOM. The data is subsequently read from the DOM by the web application and output to the browser. DOM based or cross-site scripting is often a client-side attack, and the attack's payload is never sent to the server. This makes it even more difficult to detect. But our vulnerability scanner, which we use, can scan for wide range of vulnerabilities or advanced DOM-based cross-site scripting, and also provide a stack trace of the infected payload as it moves inside of the browser's DOM. And detection of blind cross-site scripting or XSS, XXE, SSRF, talking host header attacks and email header injection. Traditional methods of detecting vulnerabilities fail, short when attempting to detect second order vulnerabilities. As example, testing for vulnerabilities that do not provide a response to the scanner during the testing. So how? Detection of second order vulnerabilities requires intermediary service. Our scanner, combined with its built-in monitor technology, makes automatic detection of such vulnerabilities possible and transparent to the user running the scan. Yeah? Alright. That monitor allows to detect of vulnerabilities such as client cross-site scripting or XSS, XML external entire injection, or XXE, server-side request compliance reports for PCI, HIPAA, and others. Regulatory compliance reports which we used on your site for your needs. For PCI or HIPAA and others regulations, in order to keep track of the vulnerability detected in your web application. Our service providing includes extensive reports to help manage escalation and remediation of vulnerability while passing through in-task priority. Includes a set of internal management reports to be able to share secure findings internally. As example, with developers, management, as well as a range of compliance and classification reports for regulatory standards and best practice guidelines. So the PCI Compliance Reports. PCI DSS applies to all entities involved in payment card processing, including merchants, processors, inquiries, accuracy, issues, and service providers, as well as all other entities that store, process, or transmit cardholder data, or CHD, and sensitive authenticated data, SAD. International standards, or ISO 27000 or 001, is an information security management system standard with the objective of providing a model for establishing, implementing, operating, monitoring, reviewing, maintaining, and improving an informational security management system. Developer report. The developer report provides a comprehensive summary of a scan. It will display scan details, serial details, error summary, and error details page with a long response line, a list of external links, emails, addresses, client, scripts, remediation. Compare scans and find differences with previous scans. We made it just now. And after our remediation action, which was provided by our software with easy technologies to compare what is happening, what was changing, did it help or did not. We will see it in a very useful graphical user interface provided by our software, and easily audit vulnerabilities, fixes with retest functionality, or expert XML. Also possible data to integration with third-party tools. Or for example, we also have ability to help, to help you try to penetrate and test it out. For example, after our remediation action, after fixing the vulnerabilities, we can still possible to test, to penetrate the vulnerabilities, to make sure that we have clear fix it. Thank you so much for your comment, of course, for being with us, for always keep in touch, and please continue to do so, and do not hesitate to contact us, because we are always ready to help. We are happy to support you with any cases which you would like to know, or you inquires to know more about products or about our services, please, always welcome for you. And in the other hand, if you have no time to call us, contact us, you can find out us on the web. Just proceed to the website address as www.espincorp.com.